be drawing the Kaaba. The Kaaba is the most holiest place for Muslims. It is the direction they pray in. So, let's begin. The first thing we would want to do is to draw this long line down the middle. Then we draw another line about the same height but a little higher. Then we'll draw the same thing on the other side. Next, we'll draw another line connecting these three lines. Now we'll do the same thing on the top. You can draw on top of it if you like. And you can thicken the layer. And it's a lot. Now, draw another line. This part is a bit tricky, so you can have an adult's help with this. Make sure it's in one line. Then connect to the next. Now that we're finished the Kaaba, now that we're finished the Kaaba shape, now we will be doing the patterns on each side. So, the pattern will be square, diamond, square, diamond. Or if you want, you could do square, rectangle like me. Now let's draw a line underneath. Now let's thicken the line. This is optional, so if you want to do this, you can. Now we'll be doing the door of the Kaaba. Fun fact, the door, only a few people have gone inside of the Kaaba. If you want, you can add lines in the Kaaba, but I will do that later, when we're coloring. Now we're finished the Kaaba. In the end, I will color it all, and then you can pause the video and copy off. Or you can color it any way you like. So, as you can see, I added the wood here, the wood lines here. And yeah, thank you for listening to my video. Goodbye.